This is a D-list. If you see something, say something. That has become almost a chant in this country, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's the same everywhere else. Here's a story about a casino in Germany that had to be evacuated because somebody was quite alarmed. They went into a men's room, and from a trash can, they were hearing a ticking and a humming sound. Cannot be good. Right away, they're thinking, what if there's others? What if this is a weight-bearing wall? Are they about to bring down the entire building? So they notify security, and everything moves lightning fast. They evacuate everything at the casino. They evacuate all the neighboring shops. They're bringing in the bomb squads, right?
Wow.
Yeah, it was a sex toy. It was one of those rings that the boy will put... well, imagine like a napkin ring.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Except it's not a napkin. Oh!
What's it for?
You ran across this sometime in your life in some CD magazine.
About.
It's a sex toy that the boy wears on himself. Let's just leave it at that.
I'm flummoxed.
And that's all it was. This is a D-List. Check us out Mondays through Fridays, 2 to 7, New Jersey, 101.5.